Hey, welcome back to the Happy Place Diaries. In this video, we are cleaning the black tank. You're not going to want to miss it. It's going to be cool. Hey, welcome back to the Happy Place Diaries. I'm Jerry, and yeah, Teresa doesn't want to be a part of this video because we're cleaning out the black tank, and as much as that's a crappy subject, it has to be done. It really has to be done. And for about 4 years now, we have not been able to get our sensors to read empty. And so today we're going to go ahead and hit it with the poop blender, and we're going to run a black tank flush using our black tank flush system. I'll tell you that you should use gloves when you do this project, and wash your hands afterwards, because I mean, you are dealing with the black hole of your RV. Hey, listen, why is this important? Because two reasons that we RV is, number one, that we get to bring our own bed with us, and number two, we get to bring our own bathroom with us. And so you got to keep it clean. You got to keep the bed comfy, and you got to keep the bathroom serviceable. So come along with us. We're going to go ahead and hook up that poop blender and get things working. So this is the poop blender right here. You hook your hose up, it goes down, and this whirly goes down in your tank. I'm not going to touch it because it's nasty. That goes down, and you hose it. You just slinky it down, and it actually goes, and you can maneuver it around your entire tank. Works real well. So what I've got going on here is I've got the blender down, and if you haven't seen that, I'll show it to you. But that's what we're doing the day after Election Day, because why not? It made me think about it. All right, we'll check in a bit. Okay, so hit it really good with the poop blender. Now I've got it hooked up to the black tank flush, and we're going ahead and flushing it out. Now my tanks read that they were absolutely full about 5 minutes ago. I just checked it with the thing running, so there's water hitting the sensors, but I'm already down to a quarter. So the poop blender works. I'll show you what that looks like. So this is the poop blender right here. You hook your hose up, it goes down, and this whirly goes down in your tank. I'm not going to touch it because it's nasty. Now I'm pretty fortunate that I've got a sewer drain that I can hook my trailer right up to right there at the house. So I'm just going to let this run for about 15 minutes, and then I should be good. The tank is looking good, and I'll put a little bit of chemical down. We are camping on Friday, so I could do it again when we get to the campground, but I just thought I'd take advantage. I'll show you what the tanks are reading now. So that black tank was reading full. Now it's showing at a third, but I do have water flowing through there right now, so looking good. Okay, the black tank flush is done, and I think for the first time in about 4 years, my black tank reads this. Ta-da! And I gotta tell you, you know you're an RVer when that makes you happy. And I'm a happy camper right now. I tell you what, the poop blender, and I don't know the official name, I will put a link for it. It's a Camco product. I'll put a link for it in the description and maybe somewhere right in here. Mission accomplished. Black tank clean. All right. Hey, if you liked the video, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, Give us a thumbs up anyway. Share it with a friend. Tell them just how much you didn't like it. We hope you liked it. Again, this is all about making you have a better experience. And believe it or not, cleaning out that black tank makes the world right in your RV. I mean, after all, one of the reasons that we have RVs is so that we can bring our own bathroom with us. All right, share it, like it, thumbs up. But most importantly, hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell. It'll let you know the next time we do a video. And with that, we're going ahead and call it a day. Thank you very much for coming along. Have a great one.